Hi, I'm Karen Martin, your intermediate high teacher. I've also taught beginning 1 and 2 at CEC for 16 years. I've lived in Saudi Arabia and taught EFL in Morocco for 18 years. I like to make scrapbooks. As this is a remote Zoom class, I will send you emails with links and remind messages every week. To pass this level, you must attend 13 out of the 16 classes, do class assignments, take the EL Civics and CASAS test with a score of 220 or above. Score. You can see test, contact, and book information on our syllabus. We'll use side-by-side Book 3, in which is also a code for an ebook we'll use online. The ebook has fun games, and we'll try in class, and you can practice at home. We'll concentrate on reading comprehension and grammar in the textbook, and you'll do written exercises as homework in the workbook, and practice paragraphs in EL Civics. Please read the netiquette policy in the course information section before joining our online class. I'm confident that you will be successful in this class, and I look forward to getting to know you.